that is covered by the freedom of speech and expression natin. So, dapat siguro walang magalit. Kasi yun naman yung katotohanan ng bansa natin eh. Saan ba tayo magsisimula mag-isip ng mga solusyon kung hindi natin tanggapin na merong problema yung bayan? Pangalawa, hindi ko maintindihan saan nanggagaling yung total failure ako as a Department of Education Secretary. Kasi iba yung actions ni BBM noong ako ay nag-tender ng resignation. Kung maalala ninyo, that was June 19, 2024. It was a Wednesday. Matagal ko na pinag-isipan yung pagre-resign. Inisip ko na kapag mag-resign ako, habang nasa administration ako, inaatake ako.